Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. So I just thank you for helping me, Doug. Doug is going to help me with this tour of Gather to get everybody ready for the conference. You can see we have everything set up for CACBT and we're ready and waiting. So there's a lot of features in Gather, a lot of things to look around, and I'm going to give Doug a tour so you can see when Doug and I are, our avatars are close to each other, our screens pop up and we can see and talk to each other. So as you mingle around the conference, you'll be able to see people. So if I go out of range, you'll see Doug fades away. And gets a little gray. And then if I go closer, so this is when you are walking together through the conference with somebody. If you're looking at posters together or different displays, make sure you stay close to each other. So Doug, I'll get you to follow me.
Okay, okay.
Okay, whoops, I want to go this way. So this is the main hall of the conference. So we have a CACBT help desk here. I will probably be spending quite a bit of time here at the CACBT help desk. There are a number of people, volunteers wandering through. We'll all have on the day of the conference in our names, it will say, "Can I help you?" and then our name. So you'll know if you have any questions about Gather or the conference. You'll be able to ask for help here. But there'll also be some people sitting here. We'll have our avatars here and you can walk up to us. And then when we're in this particular space, it's a private space. So just Doug and I can hear each other. So if I'm standing out here, I won't be able to hear him. But if I move in closer, so that helps, like especially if you're talking to someone at the help desk, that you don't hear a lot of noise from the other attendees when you walk into the space. So let's go down here. I'm going to show you a couple of the other things. Wait for Doug. All right, so here are some of our exhibitors. We have the exhibitors in the main hall. So we have Psychotherapy Matters. And you can see when I walk in front of the Psychotherapy Matters desk, a little window pops up and it says, press X to interact. So if I press X, and Doug, if you want to, you can too, then you see the pamphlet that they have explaining their service. So there's a little image there that you can read. So very similar for the posters as well. And then to get out, you click here. So we can see we have Caversham Books, and Hushmail has a little flyer too, so we can press X and read all about Hushmail as well. And then also in the main hall, we have the different rooms labeled. So we have the North Conference Room where you can go in and listen to some talks. So let's go in there. So when you enter the conference room, you can sit in here. And sometimes there might be someone speaking at the podium. And if you want to ask questions, you can go up to the podium as well. And then when you stand in the podium, the whole room can hear you. But because we're using Zoom for most of the calls, when you come, you can use the Zoom links that will be sent to you, or you can walk into the right conference hall room, and then you don't have to worry about the Zoom link. You can just press X, and it will take you to the Zoom link here, and you can click on that, and then you'll be taken to Zoom. So I'm just going to jump out of there. So when you come back to Gather after Zoom, it'll say back from the talk, and you can re-enter by pressing here. Does that look straightforward, Doug?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and then I'll have you follow me out here. So apparently in Gather, we can walk through chairs. There'll be some places where you notice you can't walk through. They'll be impassable little spots. And then we've got two poster rooms. So let's go to poster room round. So we've got one poster here with our land acknowledgement. Even though it's a virtual conference, we're recognizing that the First Nations and the Inuit and Métis who came before us on this land. So take a moment to read that. And then for students, we have a student notification board. So any throughout the conference, come back and check here if you're a student for information about events and awards. And then if students want to hang out away from the rest of us and meet each other and talk about their profs, you can go into the student lounge. And we have a number of private areas here. So anytime you walk into one of these private areas, it will say you entered a private space. And then nobody around you can hear you, just the people sharing that private space with you. Okay, and then if you want to play games, there's a couple of games up here. So I haven't tested these too much, but there's a couple of games, and then you can press X to interact. And then you can join the game. So this one is set with friends. So you can start a private or follow the instructions in here. You can play with groups of people. And then we also have another games table. We have a Tetris games table up here. And then you can, maybe I need to go in a bit more. Or maybe I just need to sit right in front of that T. Yeah, so when it lights up, then you can play Tetris or battle Tetris. So apparently you can even throw bricks into each other's mix here. So that'll pop up. But I'm not that good at Tetris, so I'm not going to embarrass myself here. Okay, and then we can go back out. So there's also a lounge for everybody. Students are welcome there too, but this lounge is just for students. So we'll head out here. And then you can see on the side of my screen that David has walked into the room, probably unwittingly walking into our demo here. I'm not sure where he is. He may jump out right away. Let's go into the poster room. Okay, so when we're in the poster room, everybody's posters are posted. We have numbers so that you'll be able to find a particular poster or your poster if you're a presenter. And then as you walk in front of the poster, you get a preview of the poster, and then you can press X and it will pop up and you'll be able to read through the poster. And if you find that you can't see part of the poster, if you adjust your screen size and move it around, you should be able to get in there and see the entire poster. So just as you walk, you'll be able to see the different previews. Go up the aisle here. Oops. And read through. And then during the poster sessions, the authors will be standing in front of their posters and you'll be able to chat with them. We've also set up the posters so that they're private spaces in front of each poster. So if there's a lot of people, it shouldn't be too noisy. You'll be able to have a conversation with the author of the poster fairly easily. One little glitchy thing I've noticed, and probably because I'm doing the demo, it won't happen. Sometimes when I walk across the posters, oh, see the preview, the right preview loaded up. Let's see if I can get the wrong preview. Sometimes it stays stuck on the previous one. And of course, it's not doing that now. Everything's working perfectly. I wanted to show you what happens if it doesn't work perfectly. What you can do, though, if you find that the next poster isn't loading, I find if you just step out of the space to where there's no poster and then back in, the right poster will load. So sometimes it's a little glitchy like that. Okay. So we can come back and read those later. It looks like David's disappeared, so he jumped out of the demo, so we won't get to have him meet us. All right. And so there are a number of rooms that you can use during the conference as well. So any of these rooms you can use, and they're private spaces. So if you want to have a meeting with people or just get away from the noisy crowd, you'll be able to come into these spaces. This particular space has a whiteboard that you can also use. So if I click X, everything you click X, you can see somebody was in here. This wasn't me that did this bit of artwork. Um, I suspect I know who it was, but you can feel free to erase that and write your own stuff. But I have a feeling I know who this was, who was the artist. And then you can click up here to get out. So feel free to use anything, and you can explore the space. And then just show you, we have some of the talks will be in the West conference room. All the conference rooms look the same, and you press X to get the Zoom link. And then back out. If we go all the way, everything's up this main hall pretty much. Everything that is conference related. So the student lounge, the posters, the regular lounge, the second poster room, North Conference, I'm just waiting for Doug, and then the East Conference Center. And then there's, so all of the meetings are up here off of this main hallway. You can also head out. There's lots of space. If we have 200 and some delegates coming to the attendees coming to the conference. So I think we have lots of space for all the avatars, but if you want some more space, you can always walk out of the building down here and go to the beach. So there's lots of space along the beach here on our virtual beach. And you can even try and go swimming, but it only lets you wade a little bit, so no big swimming. But there's lots of spaces here. What do you think, Doug?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's once you get the hang of it, it's very cool.
Yeah, I think like the hardest thing I've noticed, like when I've had more people in here, is like keeping the group together while you're trying to chat, if you're chatting and walking. But it seems to work really well. We're hopeful it's going to make it a little bit more interactive, a little bit more fun than just a bunch of Zoom meetings one after the other. We'll actually get to talk to each other and bump into each other. So please say hi to me and to as many people as you can while you're in the conference, and looking forward to a great event. Thanks, everybody.
Bye.